get so many messages about how I upkeep my curly hair. For all you girlies who have curly hair like me, it's just such a battle. It's so hard to come across like amazing product that does work for your hair, and it just takes a long time. And then once you find it, you want to hold on tight and you never want to let go. I have discovered what works for my hair, and hopefully it'll help you too, because this is the best formula ever. The Adwoa, the Melon Berry Hair Milk Leave-In Conditioner. It is so good. It helps with frizz. It's good for all hair types. Clean at Sephora, super hydrating. It makes my hair so soft and it really adds shine to your curls. It's absolutely beautiful and I love it. So as soon as I get out of the shower, I spray this in just to comb through my hair. I can't get enough of this product. It is heaven sent for curly hair. It's just beautiful. Next up to my holy grail is the Amika Curl Corpse. OMG. This is the gel. You can put this in your hair, damp or dry. I recommend it damp. This product is more of the styling out of the two. First of all, it's an anti-frizz product, clean at Sephora, super hydrating. It's great for curly, coily, and wavy hair. And I find that it does add shine. It really defines the curls so well. It makes it soft and a little bit goes a long way. After you've brushed out your hair with a wide tooth comb, you want to go ahead, grab like maybe a dime size of this. You want to just warm it up in your hands. And what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and just scrunch and then do the other side. And then I do the back a little bit as well. And then I just leave it because the trick is to not touch your curls, because then the frizz starts to happen and you just kind of unravel that curl. I used to always have a tendency to kind of like flip it around and touch it while it's drying, and it just really messes up the curl. You don't want to disrupt the curl definition. When I wash my hair, like, it's not something I can do in a day. I don't like using the diffuser with the hair dryer. I really don't like. I find that it doesn't work for me. It just always messes up my curls for some reason. For me personally, I'm sure that other people out there, like, it works for them. It doesn't work for me at all. They also have a spray. Say you're having a little bit of a frizz situation, or you just want to like enhance those curls. You just want to define those curls. They do have the spray. These are the best product for your curly hair and the best system and routine. I assure you, you're gonna love it.